VO. Ladies and gentlemen, brace yourselves. A cosmic event is unfolding that could change the course of history. On September 13, 2024, a massive asteroid is hurtling towards Earth at a terrifying speed. With just 48 hours to go, scientists and space agencies around the world are in a race against time to assess the threat and determine our next steps. VO. This asteroid, designated as 2024 AB12, was first detected by astronomers just weeks ago. Measuring approximately 15 kilometers in diameter, it poses a significant risk due to its size and speed. Traveling at an astonishing 30 kilometers per hour, the impact could unleash energy equivalent to millions of tons of TNT. VO. Asteroids of this size can cause widespread devastation, leading to catastrophic consequences for life on Earth. But what exactly is being done to protect our planet? Expert 1. As soon as we detected 2024 AB12, we initiated our emergency protocols. Our first priority is to gather as much data as possible about its trajectory, size, and composition. Expert 2. We're using a combination of ground-based telescopes and space-based observatories to track its movement. The more we know, the better we can prepare. NASA, ESA and other space agencies are collaborating to analyze the asteroid's trajectory. They are calculating potential impact sites and developing contingency plans to mitigate the risk. VO. What happens if 2024 AB12 strikes Earth? Scientists have developed several impact scenarios based on its current trajectory. VO. If it were to hit land, the resulting explosion could obliterate entire cities and create shockwaves felt hundreds of miles away. If it lands in the ocean, it could trigger massive tsunamis, devastating coastal communities. VO. The fallout from such an event could lead to climate changes, affecting agriculture and ecosystems globally. This is why the next 48 hours are critical. VO. As news spreads, governments and organizations are urging the public to stay informed. But what can individuals do in the face of such a cosmic threat? VO. Experts recommend that people prepare emergency kits, have a communication plan in place, and stay tuned to official updates from local authorities and space agencies. VO. Public sentiment is a mix of fear and curiosity. Social media is buzzing with discussions about the asteroid, and many are turning to experts for guidance on how to respond. VO. In addition to monitoring the asteroid, scientists are exploring potential defense measures. Could we deflect it? Could we evacuate areas at risk? Expert 3. One of the most discussed methods is the kinetic impactor technique, where a spacecraft is sent to collide with the asteroid to change its course. However, given the timeline, this may not be feasible for 2024 AB12. VO. Other strategies include gravity tractors, where a spacecraft would use its gravitational pull to alter the asteroid's path over time. But these methods require advanced planning and more time than we currently have. VO. As we approach the critical 48-hour mark, scientists are working around the clock to gather data and devise strategies. The world is watching closely, and the stakes couldn't be higher. VO. Stay tuned as we continue to monitor the situation and provide updates. The fate of our planet hangs in the balance, and every second counts. Note: the script will continue to evolve as new information becomes available, and as the situation develops, stay tuned for further updates and insights. VO. In times of crisis, global cooperation becomes paramount. Countries around the world are uniting their efforts to tackle the imminent threat posed by asteroid 2024 AB12. From the United States to Russia, and from the European Union to China, scientists and policymakers are sharing data and strategies to enhance our collective response. Expert 4. This is not just a problem for one nation, it's a global challenge. VO. Joint missions and shared resources could potentially lead to innovative solutions, including the development of new detection technologies and improved impact prediction models. VO. As scientists scramble to address the asteroid threat, advancements in technology play a critical role in our understanding and response. Innovative tools are being developed to improve asteroid tracking and analysis. VO. New telescopes equipped with artificial intelligence are enhancing our ability to detect and analyze near-Earth objects. These technologies not only help us track 2024 AB12, but also identify other potential threats in our solar system. Expert 5. AI algorithms can analyze vast amounts of data in real time, allowing us to make quicker decisions. This is essential when we have such a limited time frame. VO. As the clock ticks down, the media plays a vital role in disseminating information. News outlets are working tirelessly to keep the public informed about the latest developments regarding 24 AB12. VO, however, with the influx of information comes the challenge of misinformation. Experts urge the public to rely on credible sources and official announcements to avoid panic and confusion. Expert 6. It's crucial that people understand what is fact and what is fiction. Misinformation can lead to unnecessary fear and chaos. VO. The impending asteroid has stirred a wide range of emotions across the globe. From anxiety to curiosity, communities are grappling with the reality of an existential threat. Individual 1. It's terrifying to think about what could happen. I've never felt so helpless. Individual 2. I'm trying to stay calm and hope for the best. But it's hard not to worry. VO. Communities are coming together to support one another, sharing information and discussing preparedness plans. Local organizations are hosting informational sessions to help people understand the situation and what they can do. VO. As scientists study 2024 AB12, they are also reflecting on past asteroid events and the lessons learned from them. Understanding historical impacts helps inform current strategies. Expert 7. Every asteroid event teaches us something new. By analyzing past impacts, we can improve our predictive models and develop better response strategies. VO. The scientific community is committed to not only addressing the current threat, but also enhancing our overall planetary defense measures for the future. VO. As the situation evolves, preparedness remains a top priority. Governments are implementing emergency protocols, and citizens are encouraged to take proactive steps. VO. Community resilience is key. By working together, we can enhance our ability to withstand potential disasters, whether they come from an asteroid or other natural events. Expert 8. It's not just about preparing for the asteroid. It's about building a culture of readiness that can help us face any challenge. VOL. As the threat of asteroid 2024 AB12 looms, the global economy is also feeling the ripples of uncertainty. Markets are reacting to the possibility of a catastrophic event, and businesses are evaluating their preparedness plans. Expert 9. Investors are understandably anxious. The potential for widespread destruction could disrupt supply chains, impact industries, and lead to significant economic losses. VO. Governments are urged to consider economic resilience as part of their response strategies. This includes ensuring that critical infrastructure is protected and that emergency funding is available to support recovery efforts. VO. The economic implications of an asteroid impact are profound. It's not just about immediate damage, it's about long-term recovery and rebuilding efforts that could take years, if not decades. VO. In light of the impending asteroid threat, education becomes a powerful tool for empowerment. Schools and universities are stepping up to engage students and communities in discussions about space science, planetary defense, and emergency preparedness. Expert 10. By educating the public about asteroids and our response capabilities, we can foster a more informed society. Knowledge can alleviate fears and encourage proactive behaviors. VO. Public engagement initiatives are being launched, including workshops, webinars, and interactive exhibits, aimed at demystifying the science behind asteroids and the efforts to protect our planet. VOO. In today's digital age, social media plays a pivotal role in shaping public perception and disseminating information. As news of asteroid 24 AB12 spreads, platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram are buzzing with discussions. VO. While social media can facilitate rapid information sharing, it also raises concerns about misinformation. Experts stress the importance of verifying information before sharing. Expert 11. Social media can be a double-edged sword. It's vital for users to seek out credible sources and think critically about the information they encounter. VO. While the threat of asteroid 2024 AB12 is daunting, it also highlights the resilience and ingenuity of humanity. Throughout history, people have faced existential threats and have risen to the occasion. VO. This moment serves as a reminder of our capacity for innovation and collaboration. From scientists to everyday citizens, everyone has a role to play in addressing this challenge. Expert 12. In the face of adversity, we often see the best of humanity. People come together, share knowledge, and work towards solutions. That spirit of cooperation is what will guide us through. VOO. As we approach the critical hours leading up to September 13, 2024, continuous monitoring of asteroid 2024 AB12 is essential. Scientists are employing advanced technology to track its trajectory in real time. VO. Observations from ground-based and space telescopes provide crucial information that can help refine predictions about the asteroid's path and potential impact. Expert 13. Every minute counts. With the right data, we can make informed decisions about how to respond, whether that means preparing for impact or implementing deflection strategies. VO. Governments around the world are mobilizing resources and coordinating responses to the asteroid threat. Emergency management agencies are on high alert, ready to implement plans as needed. VO. Transparent communication is key. Officials are working to keep the public informed about the situation and any necessary actions they should take. Expert 14. Governments must act decisively and collaboratively. This is a global issue that requires a unified response to ensure the safety of all citizens. As we wrap up our exploration of the impending asteroid approaching Earth on September 13, 2024, let's recap the key points we've discussed. 1. We introduce the asteroid, detailing its size, speed, and trajectory, emphasizing the alarming velocity at which it's hurtling towards our planet. 2. We examine the possible consequences of a collision, including the environmental and societal effects that could arise from such an event. 3. We highlighted the crucial steps that scientists and space agencies are taking to monitor the asteroid's path and potential deflection strategies. 4. We stressed the significance of public awareness and preparedness in the face of such a cosmic threat. As we enter the next 48 hours, it's essential to stay informed and vigilant. The coming days will be pivotal in determining our response to this celestial challenge. Thank you for joining us on this urgent journey. Stay tuned for updates and remember, knowledge is our greatest ally in the face of uncertainty. Until next time, take care and stay safe.